Please watch this video in its entirety. Start by pulling the tray down from its upright closed position. Please note, if the light is green, then its battery is charging, but it's ready to use. If the red indicator light is on, you should not operate the unit. If no lights are on, it's also safe to operate the unit. Once the tray is open, you can proceed to transfer someone onto it. To release the guard, hold it in place and pull out the metal plunger on the right side, then swing it around and click into place. Once the person is comfortably positioned and the guard is in place, use the dual control buttons on the front of the tray or the right-hand side to raise or lower the table to your preferred height. With the automatic retracting feature, if it detects an object, like a wheelchair or a person, it will automatically stop moving down and move upwards instead. When you're finished, pull the plunger to swing the safety rail back under the tray, then fold the unit back into its closed position. Please visit Bradley's website for more information.